The maps inside my chest, roads that led to the same unrest. The window fogs before I speak, and I call it honesty. Call it weak, oh, the ground won't hold me still. It never asked me if I will. So I'll run, yeah, I'll run on restless ground. Carry every fear until it's drowned. And when the dust decides to settle down, I was already gone, already found. I've been talking to the ceiling fan about the things I almost had a plan. It spins like every choice I've made, half committed, half afraid. Oh, the ground won't hold me still. It never asked me if I will. So I'll run, yeah, I'll run on restless ground. Carry every fear until it's drowned. And when the dust decides to settle down, I was already gone, already found. I don't know where the line is between brave and afraid. Maybe brave is afraid, but it shows up anyway. Maybe brave is afraid, but it shows up anyway. So I'll run, yeah, I'll run on restless ground. Carry every fear until it's drowned. And when the dust